get there, let's see if there's any news. I don't know if I did a stream marker for Baba, but that's fine. ACB. So yesterday at 3:31 p.m., we got the earnings results. So let's go ahead and guys, look at this. The good thing about Aurora Cannabis, I think I did not do a video about this yesterday, but I should have. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. Maybe I did review it. Doesn't matter. Aurora Cannabis beats on revenue. Shares up 37%. This came out yesterday at 7:04 a.m., guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell. ACB adjusted EBITDA for the first quarter loss of 57.9 million. Revenue of Canadian 67.81 million. Beats by 4.22 million Canadian dollars. We continue to take the necessary steps to execute our plan and transform our business to achieve sustainable profitability and ultimately positive cash flow, stated Miguel Martin, Chief Executive Officer of Aurora Cannabis. Our first quarter 2021 results are transitional but do highlight successes across a number of diverse profit pools. Remain the leader by revenue in the high-margin Canadian medical market. Our international medical business experienced more than 40% revenue growth this quarter, and our CBD brand Reliva is #1 ranked by Nielsen in the U.S. CBD sector. And the shares are up. Yesterday, we're up 37%, but we're higher in the pre-market. And following up, guys, with ACB, shares rise 21%. This came out at 8 a.m., obviously. On potential cannabis legalization beats FQ1 consensus. So there's a mix of things. Let's take a look over here. Aurora Cannabis reports fiscal first quarter 2021 total and cannabis net revenue was $67.8 million, a slight increase from the $67.5 million in the prior quarter. Consumer cannabis net revenue was $34.3 million. Medical cannabis net revenue was $33.5 million, a rise of 4% sequentially. The increase was primarily attributable to a strong performance in the international medical business, which grew 41% for the quarter. Adjusted gross margin before fair value adjustments on cannabis net revenue remained strong at 48% versus 50%. Oh, yeah! In the first quarter of 2020. Adjusted EBITDA loss was $57.9 million, negative 79.3% for the quarter. In the first quarter of 2021, the company used $25.2 million in cash to fund operations. Aurora continues to execute its announced plans for reducing production and complexity through the closure of 5 cultivation facilities, with 3 facilities now fully closed. Shares rise 21% pre-market. Okay, we're going to review that. And let's see what we got, guys, for ACB. Aurora Cannabis. Ladies and gentlemen, yesterday it went beautiful. It went to very close to our target of the 200 EMA. That's the beautiful thing about getting with some buy stops or market execution when you are watching the charts. Look at this beautiful move, guys. Already making great moves. But where are we pre-market? 77%. Beautiful. Where are we pre-market is the question. Time to go to work. Good. Have an awesome day, G.
Boom shakalaka!
Let's see ACB real quick. 995. Aurora Cannabis went back down to 995, ladies and gentlemen. Or 997. Almost $10. Let me look at the 4-hour real quick. And for me, that is a good retracement. It can go back down even more to 849. That will be a beautiful opportunity. What I'm looking forward to for ACB now is a break of a resistance of $14.41. There is great potential if we close. I can even see over here $18. I can see it being reached very soon. But what I want to see is a close above the 200 EMA. When we close above the 200 EMA, which probably will be above the $20 level, that's going to be a great sign for us to start looking at the weekly and expecting some potential upside to hopefully 45, even 100 and $19. We'll see, guys. Aurora Cannabis may be a Cinderella story. Who knows? I know a lot of YouTubers were talking about it for quite a while. I know a lot of people lost some money. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. Were you able to do some? Or do you think it will go back down to the bottom of the ocean with SpongeBob Bobby? So since Aurora Cannabis has a lot of other companies that are tied to it, I think I should do a clip about the cannabis sector. So don't forget to like this video, guys. The free way to support this channel, subscribe. Why don't you go ahead and leave a comment? That will help the algorithm. And if you want to bless us with a little bit, a super sticker or a super chat, go ahead and do it. In the chat room, guys, show your support. Maybe do some Hadoukens when you join our membership. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see over here. Tilray yesterday did amazing as well, guys. Look at the daily. It went up once again to $12.10. But it went down once again to $10, $12.10, and it went down to $10.10. I'm not gonna get into deep with Tilray, but Tilray 944. I'm liking Tilray, guys. If we closes above the 200 EMA, as I said, the same thing with Aurora Cannabis. If we close above, we're gonna have a kick-ass investment coming up, guys. We've been riding since like $5, was it? $5, $8, and now very, very good. $9.40. Maybe it is time for this to kick some booty. You know how it is, guys. Patience is the name of the game. I want to see that monthly close bullish. Ooh, beautiful. Let's see. Let's wait and find out. Over here, Cronos is the other one, CRON. Holy mofongo. Cronos yesterday, higher highs at 879. Higher lows at 713. Where are we pre-market? Or 713, yes. Pre-market CRON is at 683. 683. And we are above the 200 EMA. So Cronos, for me, starting to look very interesting. I think there could be some great potentials coming up soon. Any retracement with a confirmation of a higher low can definitely bless us with some more upside. 140, guys. This could be it. This could be it for Cronos. We'll wait and find out. I think with the legalization of marijuana in the United States, that's gonna be a beautiful, I think it can be a good push. A beautiful push for the pot stocks in America. Okay, guys. And over here, we got Aphria, APHA. I don't know if I added the stream marker, guys, but you know what? I sometimes I forget. Let's see over here, 550. That's why I say it. I gotta add the stream marker. Let's see. Aphria yesterday we did go up to 629. It did go down to $5.54. In Aphria this morning, APHA, it says 545. So we are going down a little bit more. The good thing about Aphria is that the daily is above the 200 EMA, the weekly is above the 200 EMA, and there is great potential. The monthly is going to be crucial for this, guys. I think once Biden gets to be the sitting president, because right now is the president-elect, right? Anything can happen. But for now, if Biden is the president and he legalizes this, we got to wait. It's going to take time. Oh, but David, do you think it's going to pop up to the moon? Not necessarily, my friend. It's going to require time. You got to create a law. You got to pass it. You got to create a bill, go through it in Congress, then Senate, then approve it, then sign it, then the companies start making business. Once they get business, they start getting the products of manufacturing, production, and all of that. It's going to take time, a lot of patience and time. I don't know if you ever heard George Harrison's songs, I've Got My Mind. Go ahead and check out that song. He says it. It's going to take patience, a whole lot of patience and money, guys. This is all required. And now let me look at MRO, my friend. MRO. Let's do MRO.